Just to give you a closer look at the SSG circuit, a couple of people have asked exactly what it is I'm using. I'll show you the schematic in a sec. Just a quick look at the actual circuit. These leads are the power in. These two are the output to the charging battery, or in this case to the water cell. These wires are the output to the power coil. You can see the positive from the power coil is connected to, this is actually the negative of the charge battery, and it's running across to the positive of the power. Transistors are 2N3055. Across there we have a diode, which is a what is that? That's a 1N4001. This other diode is a 1N4007. And that's really all there is to the circuit, is this transistor, two diodes, and this bunch of resistors on the side. I've got 140 ohms in there at the moment. It's not quite right, I need to play around with that some more. It would have the variable resistor, but I've burnt mine out, so I'm just stuck with these at the moment. But yeah, that's the basic circuit. This neon bulb is here to protect the transistor in case you disconnect this charging battery. It connects it, protects it from the back spikes and stops it burning out. You can run it without this, but if your charge battery gets disconnected, you'll fry your transistor, so it's a good idea to have that there. Here's the schematic. Yeah, we have a bifilar coil, two windings. We have the charge battery, or in this case the water fuel cell, 1N4007 diode, transistor, which is the 2N3005. We have another diode, 4001 this time, 1N4001. Here's the resistors. You know, this is all variable. It depends on your pickup coil, how much resistance you're going to need there, so you'll have to adjust that to suit your coil. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. My coil is a bit strange. My main power coil, which is this lump here, I actually wound it with 4 windings, 2 fine ones for the trigger, 2 thick ones for the power. So yeah, I've got 4 windings in this power coil, but I've actually joined the 2 fine windings in series for the trigger and the 2 fat windings in series for the power. And that gives me the option to break them in half and use one of the power windings as a pickup coil rather than a power input coil. But at the moment I'm not doing that. It's just the 2 power coils in series within here, 2 trigger coils in series. And then adding on to that, parallel to that, I've got this other coil here, which is actually made of two coils, and each of these coils is bifilar, again 2 windings in each. And this is made of the finer stuff. What I've done with these is connect each of the windings in series, so it's really just one coil but going back on itself, which according to Tesla increases the amount of power you can store in the coil because of the internal capacitance. Each loop has bigger voltage between it and the next one. So yeah, I've got 2 of these bifilar series wound coils in series with each other, and then this whole lump of 4 series connected coils is connected in parallel to the power coil of my main coil. And you know, that's just the way it worked out. It's not the only way to do it. That's just the way mine ended up. So that's my coil. The power coil's coming out here. Trigger coils connected here. Output to the charge battery, input from the power. And that's it. So yeah, I hope that helps, and that'll do for now.